Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a subtask on ClickUp. So first you want to go ahead and open up the main project folder, okay, which has your tasks. So let's say I want to create a subtask for task 4. First I go ahead and click on this task, and on this page you just scroll down until you reach the subtask section. Then click on add task. So let's go ahead and name this task 4.1, right? And of course, you can go ahead and assign this to, let's say, a pioneer or myself. I can do that as well. And you can set a due date. So let's say it's due tomorrow. Okay, you can set a priority if it's urgent. Can do that. If it's high, can do that as well. Okay. And you can also do some tags as well if you had those, right? And if you want to add custom fields, you can do that as well. Otherwise, you can just come here and click on save. And there you go. The subtask has been created. So if I close this and I go back to this section, as you can see, there is one subtask, and I can just expand this to view it, right? And it's really that easy and simple.